Hey, I want to talk about something really important, which is your charcoal. That's your fuel that's going to cook your food. Don't ever use a charcoal that has lighter fluid in it. Don't ever use lighter fluid. You will ruin whatever it is. It'll pick up. An accelerant will actually stay through. What I like to use is a natural charcoal, and which is basically wood. Burns hotter, it's natural. And then I will use a natural starter, like the tumbleweed starter, to get it going. You can use a torch also, but this way it keeps the cook clean all the way through. All right, we're gonna light this smoker here. It's an offset smoker. What I do is I use the tumbleweed first. I put it right in the center, a little butcher paper on top. I've got my 2 pieces of wood centered in the middle. Then I put in my natural charcoal. Fill up the cylinder. It's real simple. Come over here and you light it. That paper's gonna get lit. And then the tumbleweeds, which are natural, they're gonna light. Well, you'll know it's ready in about 20 minutes when fire starts coming out of the top, and then you dump it right in your firebox, and you're ready to add more wood to it. All right, we're gonna get ready to dump the charcoal. It's ready to go. Make sure you wear a glove. I've made the mistake of not. This is very hot. Dump it in the middle. Hang this back up. I'm gonna get my wood chunks now. Just start layering them in. I use a combination of hickory, mesquite, and applewood. Don't ask me why, I just think they're good. It also gives it a bit of a sweet flavor. So I'm gonna set the fire. It's open, wide open now. I'm gonna bring it to about 1/4 of the way open, and I'm gonna do the same thing here. So I'm gonna watch this. This is gonna start smoking pretty soon. When this is smoking consistently and it's a dark smoke, it's not time to put your food on. What you wanna do is you want a clear smoke. You actually want it like this when it's time to put the food. Within a few minutes, this will start smoking up because of the wood that I have in there now. Once it's clear like that and it runs clear, that's when you put your food in. All right, so what you wanna do is you wanna look at your smoker, and when you're hitting clear smoke like what you see right now, it's okay to put your food in. When you first put in your charcoal and you first put in your wood, this thing is smoking like a chimney, kind of like a semi-truck on I-75. Don't put it in there because then you're gonna end up with a lot of smoke that you don't want into your food. This is clear smoke. That means it's clear to do it. So I'm gonna set it over here. I'm gonna hit the temperature somewhere around 200. It's at 250 now, and at that point, I'm gonna put in some salmon in here, and I'm gonna do the mojo pulled pork.